Hi. Hi. My name is Sini, and today is a wonderful day for me. I can speak English. It's so really wonderful because I didn't ever speak English. And I really thank you, every coaches and especially Coach Park. And really thank you. What's the point? And really thank you, my classmates.
Don't cry.
I almost cried. I really miss you guys. Okay, today I have to say about wisdom. So I thought, what is the wisdom? Truth be told, I already decided my presentation direction. So just I thought how to make connection between my experiences and wisdom. It's so hard, so I thought again and again. But suddenly I realized it's not hard. Just say how to overcome a crisis. So I picked the important thing in my life, that is experiences, hobbies, people, and just do it. So before I start, I want to show you my crisis. Oh. Yeah, maybe everyone already knows that movie. Yeah, that's right, it's my taboo, but today I want to say I'm bullied when I was in high school. At that time, I'm too shy, and I have many things about other guys thinking. Just I thought, what if they don't like when I'm saying this word? Or what if they hate me when I'm doing this behavior? But that thinking never made me better. That thinking always made me more bullied by other people. So at that time, just I want to give up. So I just lie because I don't have dream and just a lie. But even though it was me, I've got a dream. Dream is important thing in my life because I've got a dream and I decided to try to my character. So I thought, if I live this way, I'm gonna fail. That thing made me scared. So I tried to sign up some experiences. Some experiences. And first, I signed up their kind of leadership seminar. I didn't know what is that, and just do it because I really want to change my character. And there are some word leadership, so just signed up. And they taught me about confidence, and they told me how to live my life, how to achieve my dream. That really inspired me. So I went again to be a coach. And second thing is I just signed up to learn my student national rank. But you know what? Changing character is really hard. So I met the other members the first time. I didn't say anything. I decided changing my character, but I didn't say. So just try. Just try and try. So I realized I shouldn't have worried about other guys thinking. Just do it. And then I could make people and my friends. And also I work from Hana to Imjinga, so I had a lot of time. So at that time just thinking how to live my life or how to achieve my dream, that time really helpful for me. And my second wisdom is hobbies. Hobby is really important thing when you're into depression. My hobby is ukulele and guitar. I really want to learn about some instruments when I was young because I really liked to sing a song. But I didn't because I thought I couldn't. Maybe everyone think that. But after changing my character, just do it. Just went to some instrument store and just bought. And just met up people from internet cafe and just try to make a concert. This picture is, Chungcheong concert. At that time I played. And this picture also some concert. And of course concert is really nervous because a lot of people watched me and I thought, what if I make a mistake? But at that time, just do it and enjoy that time. So I could hear what I'm given cheers from audience. That moment is wonderful, I never forget. And my third wisdom is people. I met a lot of people, but everyone have a different thinking. So I learned a lot of things. For example, I met this guy. This guy is really younger than me, but he already had a dream and he lived to follow his heart. That's really inspired me. And this training center also gave me not only English skill, but also people. I really miss you guys. Really, thank you. Almost okay. Can you see that? No. No? Okay, I will read it for you. Showed good confidence in his ability. Confidence is my ability. I heard that first time. Even though they just say as a teacher, even though my skill is not perfect, just good. But that sentence could be changing my life. Thank you, Kevin. So, end of my opinion, not question, not bouncing around, just do it. Why worried about failure? Why worried about other guys thinking? Just do it. If you did just do it, you could get a lot of experiences and you could make the good friend and you could get the good hobbies and that makes your wisdom, that wisdom lead to your life to beautiful. Oh, my journey is not finished. I want to keep going, try to change my character and make me better. There is a two-way, success or failure. If you thought your way is wrong, just turn to good. Why worry about fail? Just do it. And if your dream is around the failure, just keep going. Maybe other guys say, hey, your way is wrong. Your way is just fail. But just do it. If you're gonna fail, that means just your more approach your dream. And if finally you get your dream, other guys say your way is right. If you want something to be a confidence, never worried about other guys thinking or fail, just do it. Everything is yours. Thank you. Can you hear that? I just wonder, there are so many instruments. So why ukulele, not guitar? My hobby is ukulele and guitar. I love you. Okay, first start is just ukulele because ukulele is more easy. So first start is cool, and these days just I try to learn the guitar.
Interesting.
Thank you.
For the last 6 months, when is the toughest time for you?
First I came here and I met our classmate, but I couldn't say first, and because I really want to say, but it's really hard. So at that time, I really tough time, but every my class first said to me, so I really thank you.